Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have Visual Studio open and a Windows Forms project. Start by dropping a list view on the form now. You must set view to details to show columns. This matters because items need columns to display sub-items. Once done, add columns in Code or Designer with width and text, and enable full row select and grid lines if you want clear selection and layout. Make sure to choose appropriate multi-select and hide selection values, so interaction behaves as you expect. Now populate the list view. Create list view item instances and add sub-items in the same order as your columns, because alignment depends on consistent indexing. If you insert many items, wrap additions in begin update and end update to avoid flicker and speed up rendering. When you want icons, assign an image list and set small image list or large image list depending on view. Also wire up events like selected index changed and column click. These let you respond to user actions. Finish by implementing sorting with a list view item sorter or a custom iComparer so users can click column headers for order. This improves usability. Make sure to resize columns, use auto resize for content, or set fixed pixel widths if layout must be exact. Once done, test keyboard navigation, multi-select behavior, and large data performance. If items don't appear, check that items. Add is called on the correct control instance, and that begin update / end update were used properly. That solves most visibility and flicker problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.